All right, you two, we got the XC versus the Kyosho. We're gonna try some onboard footage. I don't know how long that mount is gonna hold up. We'll see right now. We're on, we're recording. I'm spinning.
Take a few laps.
Oh, you know what I messed up at? Hold on, let's bring it in real quick. I don't have the GPS on, so I won't be able to see the little tracking thing and all that. My bad, I'm on stand. Oh, I forgot to put on the GPS. The battery died any freaking way. Let me take the camera off. All right, YouTube. So I had to take the onboard footage off because the battery died. I've been using that camera all day to record, and now that I put it on there, it's died. So hopefully this one is getting everything. And this one, it shakes too much. It doesn't have what the 10 has in it. So it does a lot of shaking. Torque, it's torque. It's torque in this car. Oh shit! What the fuck? Oh my! Hold on, bring it in, Sammy. I hear something clicking. Is that just, that's probably a pipe, but no. I thought I heard something.
Yeah, it's probably bad dog bones.
Yeah. All right. That was great. That was funny.
Fucking jumped like it was a buggy.
What? Yeah, it did. Oh shit! I think I tapped you the first time too. I think I made you spin out the first time too. I think I tapped you just a nudge. Oh shit!
They're not quite. I need those S3s.
Yeah. I got the S3s in the front, I'm good.
They're doing alright, but I still...
Oh! You had me nervous when you started going sideways.
I'm definitely not on the
Same here, I'm all over the place. I just follow you, that's what makes it better. Oh. Ooh, got sideways a little bit. Oh shit.
Dude.
I wasn't even recording that. The whole time I stopped recording. Listen, that lady just came down the one way. Me and Sammy's flying both this way, and then we just see a car right there. I nearly panicked. All I did was just hit the brake though.
That's the second person today.
Yeah. I nearly panicked. All I did was really just hit the brake though. What the
I
fuck?
gotta say, we both suck.
Shit, I definitely did. Oh, Sammy! Oh, I thought you was gonna hit the tire. Oh my goodness. That was so crazy. I was wide open right there trying to come around. Oh, we made that. Woo-hoo! Woo! Sammy hit the gas, started spitting out. Ooh, that corner right there. Oh! Broke.
You got a cone. No?
Nah, broke.